लोगों का एक आग्रह रहता है कि dispute resolution needs a robust mechanism. One is the larger issue which the finance minister talked about in 2015 budget. But I quite acknowledge the case on behalf of the industry people to have a mechanism for dispute resolution in case of their own work. You know, we have already set up a proper procurement policy, that is a model procurement policy. We will certainly look into the framework for to have a dispute resolution mechanism. तो ये भी हम करेंगे. तो मित्रों, मुझे अपनी ओर से बहुत धन्यवाद देना है to all my friends from the industry who have done so much in this new economy. I warmly greet. This is just the beginning. They have said we need to exchange more. I assure all of them that this exchange will get a proper institutional setup. That's all from my side. We are open to questions now.
IT job losses raised in today's meeting and also preparedness for GST, especially when it comes to small and medium enterprises.
I knew you will ask a question, you all, therefore I did not touch that. But since you are the first question, let me reply. All of them agreed that IT and digital economy has immense potential for jobs. I'll come to that. First of all of them agreed that jobs have increased. You know, Mr. Saurabh Srivastava wrote an article in Economic Times. Mr. Chandrasekharan wrote an article in Economic Times. NASSCOM held a press conference, and Mr. Rao of the Infosys publicly declared, and what they have said, in the last 3 years of Narendra Modi government, 6 lakh jobs have been given in the IT field. That was NASSCOM public statement. Mr. Chandrasekharan said, in IT, in the TCS, we have given 2.5 lakh jobs, and this year we will give 23. That was the specific number he gave. Mr. Rao of the Infosys said we have given 20,000 last year, this year will give 20,000 more. But what is important today, my media friends, is that the entire eminent persons present here have an agreement that India's digital employment potential is very exciting now, will be very exciting in the future. And all of them agreed that there is a clear potential to have more than 10.5 million job potential minimum. It may even go to 20 million to 30 million in the coming 5 to 7 years. That is the whole potential. Yes, I think I have given enough reply on employment. सब आप ही पूछिएगा. Let GST roll out. All the concerns will be addressed. You will have to roll out first. Yes.
So we have set up a separate GST cell in the ministry.
And by the way, yes, we have set up a proper GST cell in the IT ministry to address some of the concerns which may arise. Yes.
There are non-IT players also sitting. So non-IT players, like we have e-commerce from portals like e-commerce industry also.
Mr. Prem ji क्या है? बताइए. Google क्या है? रमन, अब अगर आप IT को सिर्फ कंप्यूटर समझते हैं, मैं IT को डिजिटल समझता हूँ. All the players of digital space are present. Yes, thank you.
How different is the new electronic policy going to be from the old one? What are the salient features? And has there been a commitment in terms of investment that will come into the country as you move ahead to the 1 trillion digital economy target?
Let me reply. First question, yes, we are working out. The electronic policy will take cognizance of the emerging shining areas of India's electronic manufacturing sector, and also will create an ecosystem to further propel it for growth. The first thing I have to say. As regards the investment part, if all of them are in agreement of the great potential of India's digital economy, investment will come from that side. Today is not the occasion to count the currency, okay? If they have done so well in the last 20 years, today most of them became nostalgic. Mr. Saurabh Srivastava and Mr. Krish Gopal and who else, they said in 1998, when Vajpayee ji called them and they said ki this much of number will come. And today when they look back, they have gone much beyond that number. And the potential.
From 1 billion to 1 trillion.
An ecosystem. You talk about an ecosystem, and I believe special innovative zones. Special innovative zones are part of that. So what exactly will be the government's role in it? Special innovative zones that you talked about in setting up an ecosystem, what exactly do you foresee?
Special innovative zone, I talked in the context of startup cluster.
That's a very vague statement to make. I'm asking what will the government's role in it?
The government will be a facilitator. I said the framework will work it out. Today I am making the announcement. Wait for the entire framework to come about.
सर मेरा सवाल ये है कि आज जो बैठक बुलाई गई, क्या इसका एक बैकग्राउंड जो है जो लगातार चर्चाओं में था, जॉब लॉस भी था, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री भी एक परसों बुलाए, उन्होंने एक बैठक बुलाई है रोजगार को लेकर, तो क्या ये चिंताजनक स्थिति है आपकी सरकार के लिए?
मैं बहुत विनम्रता से कहता हूं, जॉब लॉस की बात बिल्कुल गलत है। कुछ मामले में यह रिपोर्ट प्रायोजित है। इन सर्टेन डिसीजन दीज रिपोर्ट्स आर मोटिवेटेड। आप मेरी बात विश्वास नहीं करिए। अगर सौरभ श्रीवास्तव जो इस इंडस्ट्री के एक प्रकार से पिता पुरुष हैं, या कृष्ण गोपाल या चंद्रशेखर या नास्कॉम या एग्जैक्ट नंबर दे रहा है टीसीएस ने कितना अपॉइंट किया है, तो ये तो इसका मैं क्या जवाब दूं? मैंने 4 दिन से इस बात पर पिछले कई हफ्तों में इसको कहा है। इसलिए आई वॉन्ट टू से कैटेगोरिकली in the presence of my friends from the industry and upon due feedback them including of NASSCOM that there is immense potential in the IT sector for employment, and about 6 lakhs employments have taken place in the last 3 years of Narendra Modi government.
What were some of the concerns which were raised by the industry, and were there any asks from the government that the industry has handed to you?
I told you on the dispute resolution they should be quicker. On the cluster part they said quicker. Some of them talked about a more liberal regulatory mechanism. We'll look into all this. Yes. But there was a complete consensus of the great potential of India's digital economy.
Sir, one question, sir. Sir, were Chinese imports also a part of today's discussion?
No.
Some of the electronic manufacturers...
Yes, we noted with great satisfaction that large number of Chinese mobile companies are coming into India.
Mantri ji, what are the major roadblocks in achieving a 1 trillion economy, and how are you planning to overcome them?
देखिए, डिजिटल इंडिया आज कोई सिर्फ भारत सरकार का प्रोग्राम नहीं है. It is designed to change India into a digitally empowered society. And once the digital ecosystem is rising, it also creates big space for digital economy. आपको मालूम है भारत में 125 करोड़ के भारत में 115 करोड़ आधार कार्ड है, 108 करोड़ मोबाइल फोन है, लगभग 50 करोड़ इंटरनेट है, 3rd बिगेस्ट स्टार्टअप कल्चर है. तो ऑल दीज आर जनरेटिंग न्यू इकोनॉमी. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है. एक बात मैं अवश्य कहना चाहूंगा कि आज बहुत सारे हमारे इंडस्ट्री के विद्वानों ने भी इस बात के स्वागत किया है कि आधार ने जो देश में बड़ा काम किया है, तो प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्रीज को भी इसका लाभ लेना चाहिए. ये बात उन्होंने कही है.
So you spoke about the sense of nostalgia coming in from the IT players from 20 years ago, but what India was 20 years ago, we created world-class players like Infosys, Wipro, TCS. But today when India is so ahead, we are yet to see any other new world-class player in e-commerce or technology or the digital.
First of all, when they talked of nostalgia, they said they were a little diffident whether India will reach that goal or not. But India reached a goal much beyond their expectation. And today, what they said, the kind of digital India ecosystem which has grown in India, 1 trillion digital economy will be an understatement. We will go much beyond that context. That's all.
Security and data protection, will this be akin to having a privacy law, and which are the agencies you will be working with?
Let the framework come about. I cannot talk in detail now. You know, as far as Aadhaar Act is concerned, there is a lot of privacy safeguards available. I have talked about in detail section 29, 30, 31. But One is the data protection, data security. One is using data for innovation and more growth. Data sovereignty. Data is the new oil. I hope you know that famous expression. Therefore, the vast data available in India is a big business opportunity for innovation also. So we'll keep all this into mind without compromising safety, security, and data sovereignty.
Sir,
That's
by
all.
when, sir, by...
अब ये उनके विवेक पर छोड़िए, स्वास्थ्य सेवा में प्राइवेट सेक्टर है कि नहीं, शिक्षा में प्राइवेट सेक्टर है कि नहीं, आप देख रहे हैं आज कृषि के क्षेत्र में बड़ी संख्या में प्राइवेट सेक्टर आए हैं। तो जब आधार ने अपनी लोकप्रियता देश भर में स्थापित की है और उपयोगिता, आपको मालूम है कि हमने जैम में 28 करोड़ बैंक अकाउंट जोड़ा आधार से और मोबाइल से, और सीधा हम पैसा फेंकने लगे बैंक अकाउंट में, हमने 50,000 करोड़ रुपया बचाया। और क्या अंतर है, राजीव गांधी ने कहा था कि मैं दिल्ली से 100 रुपया भेजता हूं, 1 रुपया भेजता हूं 15 पैसे मिलता है। मोदी जी की सरकार में हम 100 रुपये भेजते हैं, अकाउंट में 100 रुपये जाता है। तो नाउ आधार हैज शोन इट्स यूटिलिटी, बाकी प्लेयर्स भी इसका विचार करेंगे।
Sir, by when do you expect to achieve the $1 trillion target and who will be the key drivers?
शुरू से मैं बता क्या रहा हूं, शुरू से मैं क्या बता रहा हूं, मैंने बताया IT इनेबल्ड सर्विसेज, मैंने बताया कम्युनिकेशन, मैंने बताया ई-कॉमर्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स, स्टार्टअप मूवमेंट, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, आर्टिफिशियल IoT, ये सब इतनी बड़ी तो असीम सम। और एक बात कभी नहीं भूलिए कि भारत 125 करोड़ का भारत है, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा मार्केट, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मार्केट। तो ये भी बहुत बड़ा एक्साइटिंग है। लास्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ। यस
सर, सरकार की हिस्सेदारी कितनी है $1 ट्रिलियन में, और ये जमीनी हकीकत कब से नजर आएगी?
जी,
सरकार की हिस्सेदारी कितनी है $1 ट्रिलियन में, और जमीनी हकीकत कब नजर आएगी इसमें?
देखिए, जमीनी हकीकत का निर्णय आप करिए। जब हमारी सरकार आई थी तो नेशनल ऑप्टिकल फाइबर नेटवर्क में 3 साल में 358 किलोमीटर हुए थे। हमने 3 साल में 1,05,000 किलोमीटर को लगाया और 1 लाख गांव को ऐड कर दिया। जब हमारी सरकार आई थी तो 11,000 करोड़ रुपया पूंजी निवेश हुआ था इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में। आज 3 साल में 1,42,000 करोड़ रुपया हुआ है। आपने आधार की बात की, हमने डबल आधार किया है। जिस समय हमारी सरकार आई थी 1-2-1 करोड़ मुश्किल से बैंक अकाउंट आधार से जोड़े गए थे, आज 47 करोड़ जोड़ दिए गए हैं। तो हमारी सरकार काम करती है उद्योग के साथ मिलकर। तो आप देखेंगे ये पूरा जो सपना है ये काफी जमीन पर आ गया है। इसको 1,000 बिलियन डॉलर ले जाना है।